Victoria Beckham's bold statement on the must-have nail trend for autumn 2025 has sparked curiosity and debate. In a recent event, the fashion designer showcased a unique and controversial look that has caught the attention of many. Her choice of a blush pink dress and an even more daring matching manicure with a syrup-like finish has left a lasting impression. The traditional autumn nail trends often feature earthy tones like espresso browns and oxblood reds. However, Victoria Beckham's approach was a refreshing departure from the norm. Her nails were painted in a subtle, barely there pink, blending the colors of ballet slipper and rose water. This delicate hue created a soft and romantic effect, exuding elegance and sophistication. The real standout feature, however, was the high-shine, syrup-like finish of her manicure. This unique addition to her look has sparked curiosity and inspired many to experiment with their own nail art. The trend, reminiscent of the rising Petal Veil nail trend, involves a translucent, watercolor effect that gives nails a diffused wash of color, creating a healthy and hydrated appearance. To achieve a similar look, here's a step-by-step guide. 1. Start with a clear or sheer pink gel base to create a glassy foundation. 2. Apply 1 or 2 thin coats of a rose, peach, or blush-toned polish, allowing the natural nail to peek through. 3. Finish with a high-shine, iridescent top coat. This autumn, embrace the unexpected and dare to stand out with Victoria Beckham's pink syrup manicure. It's a trend that promises to be a sophisticated and eye-catching choice, leaving a lasting impression wherever you go.